name is Bill, and my muse is cooking. One of the things I love about cooking is I just love the combination of putting different foods together and different tastes. And today's recipe is going to be burgers with a jalapeno apricot sauce. For this recipe, what you're going to need is one jalapeno, just like that. Green is better. And a shallot. You can substitute onions, which is what we did. I chop these jalapenos up really, really fine because it makes it better when we put it all together. And a plate of burgers, whipped cream cheese, some apple cider vinegar, some salt and pepper, and you'll see how this all comes together later. This is a half a head of cabbage. And you want to cook that cabbage to where it's just like it's translucent. A little bit that's a good word, translucent. You've never had steamed cabbage with burgers. Perfect combination. It goes together, explodes in your mouth. All we do to that, steam it, a little salt and pepper on it. That's all you gotta do because it's cabbage. We're gonna go out to the grill and we're gonna throw some burgers on. Throw those on there, kind of push them down a little bit, give them a nice little form, just like that. You know how to cook burgers, you're just putting them on a hot grill, that's all you gotta do. Woo-wee, look at that. I love dinner time. I don't know what your daily routine is like right now, but for us, it's the time, we work throughout the day and getting our own little things done. And then dinner time is the time where we come together, we talk about our day, and we cook together. And it's just a good thing to do with other humans and dogs. Dogs and humans, they all love food. You're gonna need some olive oil. I don't know why the Italian woman bought French olive oil, but she did. We don't use the French olive oil. We put that up there. That's just for look. Stop by. Extra virgin olive oil. It comes from Thrive. Popeye loves this olive oil better than he loves his own olive oil. Finely chopped up those shallots, which are actually onions, and that jalapeno pepper. You're gonna take those, throw those. Oh, and the sizzle. We got the sizzle. That's what I love about this part of the process. To make this happen, you need a magic spoon. Look, it's a smiley face spoon, and it's orange because orange is the color of happiness, says Lori the Italian. You want to just kind of stir those around until those onions go, here's the word, translucent. Magic spoon, hello. This is a little apple cider vinegar. How much you ask? If you put in that much, that's peach preserves, peach apricot, about that much. There we go. This is gonna go liquid, and that's what we want. I'm gonna thicken while it cools, and we're gonna pour it over the top of those burgers, and it is We're gonna plate this cabbage. We're gonna take some of this preserved mix, jalapeno onions right there, and we're just gonna lay that over the burger. Whipped cream cheese right up on top of it. A dollop. I think a dollop is for sour cream. Can you do a dollop of cream cheese? A little bit of pepper and a little bit of black olives. We're bringing two cultures together right there up on top. Beautiful. We're ready to sit down and serve. Got the cabbage, little salt and pepper on top of that. Got the burgers ready to go. Now a little cheers to good health and good friends and good family. Well, let's try it out. Try the burger. We'll see how it is. She always starts with the vegetable. Not me. I'm going straight for the good stuff. So mixed. Get a little bit of that heat from the jalapeno, sweetness from the apricot, mixing with that cream cheese. Have a little bite of cabbage with it. This is a meal to live for. I hope you enjoyed this. Follow the Muse movement. Join it, like it, share it. Hashtag Muse movement. Join the Muse movement. Glad you had a meal with us. See you later.
Bye.
So good. So good. I think I'll eat it again tomorrow night. You want to have this tomorrow night? We got enough cabbage. We got enough of everything. Have it tomorrow night too. Let's have it every night this week.